To utilize a checking account effectively, start by making deposits through your local bank by presenting a check to a teller. Or alternatively, use an ATM or the bank's smartphone app. When making purchases, visit your preferred online shopping site, proceed to checkout, and select options such as Add Bank Account, eCheck, or ACH if available. Then add your account details to complete the transaction. For withdrawals, visit your local bank branch and fill out a withdrawal slip, or use a digital wallet like Google Pay, the bank's smartphone app, or a cordless ATM. Checking accounts can also be used to set up recurring payments or one-time bills by authorizing businesses to access your account balance through ACH or a credit card, which can be done online or through the billing website. Additionally, checking accounts enable fund transfers between accounts using various methods, including the bank's ATM, wire transfers, ACH transfers, or online banking. By following these steps, using a checking account becomes a straightforward process, allowing for efficient management of finances.